In our previous class, we have done work on t-test and ANOVA. T-test and ANOVA. So today I want to give you task. You need to complete this task within 30 minutes. So your task is regression. So when you are given any task in R or Python, you need to ask these 4 questions. Question number 1, what is regression? What is regression? Second question, types of regression. Sorry, why do we perform a regression? Types of regression and sample data table for each type of regression. So you need to ask these 4 questions. No, what is your test or task? You search these 4 questions. I will ask questions from these 3 questions. You search these questions from ChatGPT, read and understand with example. After 30 minutes, after 20 minutes, I will open your mic and ask you a question. For example, what is a regression? For example, what is a regression? And how many types of regressions? What is linear regression and nonlinear regression? What is logistic regression? So I will ask these few questions from you. So please find the answer of these questions. What is regression? Why do we perform regression? And for example, I can ask you why we perform regression. You can say we want to check relationship. We can predict. We can find trend based on this regression. So you need to ask this question. Give answer. And type of regressions. Next, sample data table and generate sample data table according to your field of study. For example, if your field of study is economics, generate sample data according to economics. If your field of study botany, generate sample data according to botany. If your field of study chemistry, generate data according to your field of study. No, you have 20 minutes for this task. Please complete this task, then I will continue to next step. No, your task started. You have 20 minutes for this. Now time is 8:13. Your task is to 8:33. Okay, please start. Now I'm waiting for your reply. When you type done, then I will ask you question or until time completed. You need to ask these questions from ChatGPT. What is regression? Why do we perform regression? Find the answer of these 3 questions. Then I will ask you questions. Then also get sample data file for each type of regression in Excel file and get data in Excel file related to your field of study. Related to your field of study mean if your field of study is economics, type economics, get economics data set related to economics. If your field of study is chemistry, get sample data for chemistry. And if you have any question, you can ask. Okay. Now I'm waiting. I am sending this within group and waiting for your reply or waiting for your done. Hopefully you have done your task. So please all participants confirm. Have you downloaded Excel file successfully? If you have downloaded, type downloaded. Please all participants confirm. Have you downloaded Excel file successfully? Okay. Ms. Yusra Hadayat, can you share your screen? If yes, please share your screen. No allowed. No allowed. Please share your screen. Okay, you have done work on these plots. Okay, good. This is for linear regression. Okay, so copy this plot and share within group, and also draw plots for other analysis. Okay, after downloading this file, I want to perform these steps, but you already have done these steps. Okay, now please and draw plots on all these type of regression, and also check the results in the form of tables. Also share these results in group. Okay, I have closed your screen. So I think you have done now. So please all participants apply all type of regressions on generated data set and draw these plots and share in with WhatsApp group. Okay, if you want to explain about this plot, copy this plot and provide to ChatGPT. Or if you are unable to explain or interpret the results, first you need to understand each and every term uh, given in table or results. So for this, copy result and provide to ChatGPT. It will explain you each and every step in very easy way. You can say to ChatGPT, please explain and interpret in very simple way or easy language. So ChatGPT will provide you explanation within very easy way. So you just need to read once, you can understand each and every term. So please copy and paste results within ChatGPT. It will explain and interpret for you. Okay. Now please all participants do work on regression and share the results within group. Only one participant have shared. Just Miss Yusra Hidayat plot have shared a plot. So please, I need response from all participants. So please, all participants draw these plots and share within group if you found any issue or error or unable to resolve. You can discuss, you can share your screen, I will assist you. So please, all participants draw this plot and share within group. I am here for your assistance. So please, if you need any help or guidelines, you can share your mic screen or open your mic. So here are the results of regressions. So if you need to understand what is mean by OLS, ADG, R squared, F statistic, least squares, you need to copy and paste to ChatGPT. Copy, open ChatGPT, and write here a line. Please explain each term. Please, all other participants also draw this plot and share in group. No, here is the terms. So dependent variables, DP variables, R squared, a statistical measure representing the proportion of the variance in the dependent variable explained by the independent variable. So its range from 0 to 1. If 0.998 means 99% of the variation in the yield. So if this value is near to 1, show variation. If near to 0, show less variations. So closer to 1, a better model fit. If its value or scared value is near to 1, it's mean your results are reliable and strong variations are found here. Adjusted R squared. In this case, 0.996 show a very high adjusted fit even after accounting for model complexity. Model. So OLS is the ordinary least squared model. Method, here is the method F statistics. So test the overall significance of the regression models. So here is in this case 602.8, a very high value indicate that model is statistically significant. So this model is significant. Probe F statistic. In this case 6.8 E equal to 0.000681. A very small p-value suggests strong evidence against the null hypothesis. The model is statistically significant. So all results, all evidence show that our model is highly significant. So here are others. terms for your in your results. So in this way, you can read each and every word or term in your script or results. Okay. Now in our next class, we will work on time series analysis, time series data. So today, please complete your regression task. Also try to apply regression on your dataset. If you have your dataset, apply a regression on your dataset. Yes, for simple linear, you can, if you have two, you can apply simple. If you have multiple, you can apply multiple variables. If you have only one variable, you can also apply regression, one independent variable or one dependent variable. You can apply regression. If you have more than one, you can apply multiple linear or multiple polynomial regression, multiple linear or multiple nonlinear regression. You can apply. Okay, please try on your own data set and also try to draw plots on your generated files and share within group. And if you have any questions, you can ask or you can share it in with group. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.